Hola, hola. Hoy te enseñaré cómo usar el future simple en español. Yes, hoy we're going to talk about how to talk about the future in Spanish. Hola a todos, soy Ana and welcome back to Spanish 55. Today, we're talking about the future simple tense, which is all about talking about things that are going to happen. And let me tell you, this tense is one of the easiest ones in Spanish. You'll see. And by the way, if you'd like to learn how to use 3 Spanish tenses in 5 minutes, I'll leave you a link to one of my most popular videos in the description box. First, let's talk about when we use it. There are 3 main situations for using the future simple. To talk about an intention or something you plan to do in the future. For example, mañana estudiaré para el examen. To make a prediction about the future. Seguramente no terminarás el trabajo hoy. Or to make a guess or assumption about the present. Me imagino que ellos ya habrán llegado. Now, let's get to the easy part. Conjugation. To conjugate in the future simple, you simply take the infinitive of the verb and add the following endings. It's that simple. Yo he, tú has, él, ella, usted, ha, nosotros, hemos, ellos, ellas, ustedes, han. For example, comer would be yo comeré, tú comerás, él comerá, nosotros comeremos, ellos comerán. See? It's as easy as adding those endings to the infinitive. No complicated changes. But wait, if the verb is reflexive, like levantarse or mudarse, you just add the reflexive pronoun before the verb. So remember to do that. Yo me mudaré a la ciudad. Tú te levantarás temprano. Now, we have a few regular verbs that change the root of the verb before adding the endings. These are just things you have to memorize, but they're not too bad. For example, poner, pondré. Salir, saldré. Venir, vendré. Tener, tendré. For example, yo pondré la mesa. Nosotros saldremos a cenar. We also have verbs like hacer that change to haré or decir that change to diré. For example, ella dirá la verdad. Yo haré el reporte mañana. If you want more help practicing the future tense and other verb tenses, make sure to check out Spanish 55. With personalized coaching, you'll get expert feedback and fast results. Click the link and book your free session now. Here's a little trick to never forget how to conjugate in the future. Regular verbs, just add the endings to the infinitive. Reflexive verbs, put the reflexive pronoun before the verb. Irregular verbs, memorize the root changes, and you're good to go. It's as simple as that. Talking about the future in Spanish is not a problem. Let's do a quick challenge. Can you guess the future simple conjugation for these sentences? Let's see if you're following along. I will watch a movie. Yo veré una película. You'll travel to Spain. Viajarás a España. We'll eat tacos tonight. Comeremos tacos esta noche. He'll buy a new phone. Él comprará un nuevo teléfono. If you like this video and want to learn more, don't forget to check out our Conquering Spanish podcast. It's the perfect way to improve your Spanish on the go. Listen and join us on the journey to mastering Spanish. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao, ciao!